This video is a demonstration of how to work problems like page 396, number 55, which is on multiple angles. It's an example of topic 10.3. So the problem is we want to solve for all of the solutions in the interval 0 to 2 pi of 2 sine of 2x is equal to square root of 2. Now, this 2 right there is what makes that a multiple angle problem. So, the solution goes like this. First of all, we solve sine of 2x is equal to square root of 2 over 2. We know how to do that. We take the inverse sine of both sides and have 2x is equal to the sine inverse of square root of 2 over 2. Well, we know what angles have a sine of 2 over 2 from our unit circle. There's one here and there's one there. This one's pi over 4 and this one's 3 pi over 4. So those are two solutions. But because this is a multiple angle solution, we have to be a little more careful about it. So let's continue. We'll write this solution as if it were the general solution until we've checked what our final answers need to be. So we know that 2x is pi over 4 plus 2n pi. And it's also 3 pi over 4 plus 2n pi. So we can now divide out the 2 and have x is equal to pi over 8 plus n times pi. And it's equal to 3 pi over 8 plus n pi. Now, we need to go through the exercise of saying, let's let n be 0, so that means pi over 8. Is that in the interval 0 to 2 pi? Well, sure, pi over 8 is in the interval, so that's a valid solution. Let's let n be 1. Pi over 8 plus pi, that's 9 pi over 8. Is that in the interval? Sure, 9 pi over 8 is less than 2 pi. So now we're going to let n equal 2. Pi over 8 plus 2 pi is bigger than 2 pi, so n equals 3 will not yield a solution, and no larger n's will yield another solution. Now we go to the 3 pi over 8. Is 3 pi over 8 plus 0 pi in the solution? Sure, so or in the interval. So 3 pi over 8 is a solution. We let n equal 1. 3 pi over 8 plus pi. Well, that's 11 pi over 8, which is smaller than 2 pi. But if we let n equal 2, then we have 3 pi over 8 plus 2 pi, which is not in the interval. So there are 4 solutions in the interval 0 to 2 pi of the original question, which was 2 sine of 2x equals square root of 2. These are the solutions for x is equal to those values in that interval.